Let us be completely honest. Most guys look in the mirror and completely ignore their midsection. You chase big arms and a broad upper body, but a weak core destroys your posture, limits your strength, and leaves your physique looking incomplete. Building a rock-solid core is about pure athletic power, functional stability, and true dominance. I know you are frustrated with conflicting fitness advice and endless crunches that do absolutely nothing for you. Today, we change that forever with 6 heavy-duty workouts designed to sculpt deep abdominal grooves and bulletproof your spine. This routine will challenge your limits and unlock supreme core strength. Stop wasting your time with easy exercises, get your mind right, and let us get started. We are kicking things off with a heavy-duty variation. Exercises 1. Decline dumbbell sit-up. To set up, secure your ankles under the pads of a decline bench. Lie back and hold a dumbbell firmly against your upper chest. Take a deep breath, engage your core, and slowly curl your upper body towards your knees. Exhale forcefully at the top, squeezing your rectus abdominis before slowly lowering back down to the starting position. For optimal hypertrophy, perform 3 sets of 12 reps. This movement isolates your upper abdominals by forcing them to work against both gravity and an external load. Adding resistance forces your muscle fibers to grow thicker, creating a highly visible, sculpted six-pack look. Stop doing endless, lightweight bodyweight crunches. Push yourself with this loaded variation and feel the deep burn immediately. Next, we are throwing it back to an old-school muscle-building secret. Exercise 2. Roman chair sit-up on a flat bench. Sit on the very edge of a flat bench, secure your feet firmly under a heavy barbell or a solid anchor point, and cross your hands over your chest. Inhale deeply, brace your core, and slowly lean your torso backwards into thin air. Lower your torso until it goes slightly past bench level. Then exhale powerfully as you curl your body back up to the top. For maximum core thickness and deep fiber stimulation, perform 4 sets of 15 controlled repetitions. This brutal movement forces your entire midsection to stretch and flex under intense, constant tension. By eliminating the floor support, your core absorbs maximum force, improving rotational stability and core power. Embrace the intense stretch, control the descent, and watch your abdominal strength explode. Let us target that stubborn lower midsection with exercises 3. Frog crunch with leg raise resized. Lie flat on your back, press your soles together, and open your knees wide to form a diamond shape. Keep your hands behind your head. Hit so to protect your lower back, and curl your shoulders up while simultaneously drawing your knees toward your chest. Exhale sharply at the peak of the contraction, feeling your lower abs fire up, then return slowly to the floor. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps to maximize tissue stimulation. This exercise is unique because the frog position relaxes your hip flexors, forcing your core to do all the heavy lifting. It builds incredible endurance, shreds the lower belly area, and creates clean definition. Focus on every single contraction. Do not use momentum, and conquer the burn. Time to carve out the sides of your torso with exercises 4. Dumbbell twist on stability ball. Walk your feet out until your upper back and shoulders are resting comfortably on the ball, holding a dumbbell straight up above your chest. Keep your hips elevated, squeeze your glutes, and slowly rotate your torso and arms to one side. Exhale as you pull the tab back to the center, then alternate to the opposite side. Perform 3 sets of 15 total reps to ignite your obliques. The unstable surface of the ball forces your deep stabilization muscles to engage constantly to maintain balance. This builds elite rotational power, protects your lower back from injury, and carves out sharp oblique lines. Focus on rotation from your torso, keep your lower body stable, and dominate this balance challenge. We are finishing this brutal workout with the ultimate core developer, exercises 5. Weighted captain's chair leg and hip raise resized. Step up onto the chair, press your forearms firmly into the pads, and keep a light dumbbell tightly between your feet. Stabilize your upper body, hit so to pack your core, and raise your legs past a 90-degree angle. To truly hit the abs, lift your hips slightly off the back pad at the top. Exhale completely and slowly lower your legs back down. Crush 3 sets of 10 reps to complete your workout. This movement delivers a massive eccentric overload to the lowest muscle fibers of your abdomen. It builds immense functional power, enhances athletic longevity, and gives you that deep V-cut appearance. If you are struggling to see progress, dealing with an injury, or have any questions about your technique, drop a comment below right now and let's solve it together. Hit that subscribe button and let me be your trusted partner on this journey to peak health. Go pick up those weights and let's get to work.